Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video I am going to talk about 8 best air action features for S Pen. So guys, let's start. The first feature is using your S Pen button. You just have to press and hold it and it will turn on the camera. So I will show you. So I just press and hold it for like 3 seconds like that, and you can see the camera is now turned on. The second thing is, if you want to take the picture, you can again use your S Pen button. You just have to press it one time, okay, and you don't have to touch the screen, okay. You just press it like this and it will take your photo like that, okay. So you can see, okay, so you can take the photos from the distance, okay. The next thing is, if you want to make a video, if you want to use the video feature, so here the next thing is video. So what you have to do is, you just use your S Pen button and you just have to move it like this direction in the air and it will change to the video mode. I will show you. So I will just press it and then I will move it like this, so you can see it turn on the video mode now. Now if you want to record the video, again press this S Pen button, okay. Just press it one time, okay. So I will show you, okay. So you can see it start recording the video. If you want to stop it, you can just use this S Pen button again like that, okay. So now you can see it stop the video recording, okay. Now if you want to go to the more, okay, more option, again you have to press the button and you have to move your pen like this in this direction, so you don't have to touch the screen, only in the air, okay. So like that. So you can see it turn on the more options feature. So here you have all the features available. Now if you want to go back, okay, so you have to move your pen in this direction like this by pressing the S Pen button, okay. So like that, okay. So video, now I want to change it to the photo mode, okay. Again I will move in this direction like this, okay. So like that. So you can see it changed to the photo mode. If I want to go to the portrait mode, okay, again I select the pen button and then I move it like this and it will turn on the portrait mode. So you can use these air action for camera. The next feature is about using your pen air action for making notes, okay. So you just have to press the button again and you have to move your pen in a zigzag mode like that, okay. So I will show you. So press the pen button and move it like this, so it will turn on the notes option, and here you can make your notes, okay. So if you are in a hurry, you can use this option. You can make your appointments, all the things you can do over here. Now again, one more thing you can do is, you just press your S Pen button, okay, and it will change into the eraser mode. Now you can erase anything, okay. So you can see whatever I write, I can erase. If you want to go back to the pen mode, okay, again press this pen button one time and then it will go into the pen mode and then you can write over here. The next air action is related to media, okay. So for example, I open this video, okay. Now what I can do is, if I want to pause this video, so what I can do, I just press this pen button one time, okay. So you will see the video will pause, okay. So I press it, so you can see the video is paused now. If I want to play it again I will press this button in the air. I don't have to touch the screen and then it will again start playing, okay. Now if you want to move to the next video, you just have to press this S Pen button 2 times, okay. So I will press it like this, okay. So you can see the next video will turn on and it will play, okay. Again, if you want to pause it, you can pause it, okay. If you want to play again, press the button. Now again double press and it will turn on the next video. The next tip is how to enable and customize these air actions, okay. So first of all, you have to go into the settings, okay. Once you enter into the settings, you have to scroll down, okay, and you will see an option of advanced features, okay. So you can see over here, so just select it. Once you select it, here you see the second option over here, it says S Pen, okay. Just select it. Once you select it, here you see the very first option is about air actions, okay. Just select it, okay. Now the first thing you have to do, you have to enable it. So for example, if it is off, you have to turn it on, okay. And the next thing is, if you scroll down, the very first option over here, it says press and hold pen button, okay, and you can see I select camera. But if you want some other app, you can also do it. So you have to just select it. Once you select it, here you see there are different apps option available. So I select the camera. You can select any other app. For example, if you want to use the screen write option, okay, so you can do it as well. So for example, I just select screen write. Okay, now press and hold button is now screen write. Now what I will do is I will press and hold my S Pen button like that. Okay, and you see it use the screen write option. It take the screenshot for me, and here I can use all my tools. I can just share it. If I want to download it, I can download it as well. Okay, so this is the first setting. The next step is about air gestures. So guys, if you scroll down, you see there are different air gestures option available. So as I mentioned before, if I press the pen button and I move the pen in the zigzag mode, in the zigzag gestures, so you can see it says create note. If you want to change it, you can change it as well for each individual air action. For example, here you see this air gesture is in this direction, it move to the back, okay, then if you move it like this, it will go to the home option. So there are different options available over here. Now for example, I just select it like this. So once you select it, here again you have all different apps. You can use any of the app. For example, I select write on calendar. Okay, now it is selected. The zigzag air gesture is now right on calendar. Now for example, I press my S Pen button and I move like this, so it will turn on the calendar for me. So this is how you can customize your air gestures. The next setting is about individual apps. Okay, so for example, for each individual app, inside we have different air actions option. So as I mentioned, if I open the Samsung Notes, so here it will show you all the S Pen Air actions. For example, as I mentioned, if I single press, it will move to the eraser mode. Okay, if I double press, it will move to the next favorite pen. Then we have previous page. So if I move my pen like this, it will move to the previous page, to the next page. So all the options are available over here. Okay, now the next thing is you can select any of these apps to select your favorite air actions. Okay, now if we scroll down, the next setting is about camera. So for camera, you can see it says if I press my S Pen button, so it will take the picture. But if you want to change it, you just select it like this, and here you see it says do nothing. So if you even press it, it will not take the picture, but I use this take picture option, so I just select it. Okay, so do nothing, so you can change it. If I take picture, so it will enable the take picture option. The last setting is about media. So guys, here it will give you all the information about the media. So for example, single press the button, it will play and pause the video, and then double press, it will play the next video. And then we have this gesture for volume up. If I move my pen like this, it will turn on the volume high, and for the volume down, if I move it to the down. So all the air actions for media is also available over here. The last tip that I want to mention here is, for example, you turn off the air action. So you can see if I turn it off, okay, so the S Pen will still work. For example, you can see I can do all the things on my phone by touching the screen with my S Pen. So for example, if I want to take notes, I can take notes as well. Everything will work. Okay, only the air actions will stop. Okay, so you cannot do anything using the air action. For example, if I press and hold, so you can see there is nothing happen, okay, because I turn off the air actions. So if you want to use the air action option, so you have to go into the advanced features, then S Pen, and you have to turn on the air actions. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.